Meet the RM32 Four-Cycle Tamping Rammer, your go-to choice for efficient and reliable compaction. This lightweight powerhouse, weighing only 70.55 pounds with a compaction force of 2,922.52 lbf, is perfect for hard-to-reach areas like ditches, round pipe TIs, conduits, and the edges of pathways. It's also ideal for installing drainage systems and for hardscape and landscape professionals. Designed for one-man operation, loading and unloading is a breeze, significantly boosting job site productivity. Meet the heart of efficiency, the Honda GX35 engine. Lightweight yet robust, it's the perfect complement to the RM32, ensuring a power-to-weight ratio that's unmatched. This engine embodies the essence of maximum performance, offering exceptional power in a compact build. Its unwavering reputation for reliability and trust makes it the go-to choice for those seeking durability and consistent performance. Embrace the perfect synergy of power and weight with the RM32 and Honda GX35 engine, setting the benchmark for reliable, lightweight performance in every compacting endeavor. Introducing the revolutionary RM32, with its patented piston power design, setting a new standard in compacting technology. Never before has such a lightweight tamping rammer wielded such immense power, boasting an industry-leading force of 2,922.52 lbf. This groundbreaking design offers a never-before-seen level of reliability and performance, redefining what's possible for lightweights in the industry. Experience the unmatched force and unparalleled reliability of the RM32, a true game-changer in the world of compacting, delivering exceptional power and groundbreaking performance in an impressively lightweight package. Rely on the unparalleled dependability of our North American throttle system. Crafted with precision and care on home soil, this system stands as a testament to unwavering reliability. Engineered to outlast and outperform, it ensures seamless operation and enduring performance. Trust in this throttle system to be the cornerstone of dependability, offering a level of quality and consistency that sets a new standard in the industry. Loading and unloading have never been simpler. It's a one-person job. Thanks to its ergonomic lifting handle, effortlessly maneuvering this powerhouse in and out of your truck is a breeze. Designed for efficiency and ease, this tamping rammer ensures that one person is all you need for hassle-free transportation. Say goodbye to heavy lifting and hello to seamless loading and unloading, making your compacting tasks more convenient and efficient than ever before. A true powerhouse at 70 pounds, designed for your convenience. Loading and unloading this beast has never been easier. While the lifting hook is available if your back needs a break, the ingenious lifting handle takes center stage. With this ergonomic design, one person can effortlessly handle the transportation of this robust tamping rammer. Say goodbye to backaches and heavy lifting, get ready for a seamless loading and unloading experience. The RM32 redefines convenience, offering a smart solution for every compacting task without the hassle. Experience, power, and precision redefined with the Hawk RM32. At less than 14 inches wide and a mere 32 kilograms 70 lbs, it's the world's lightest tamping rammer. Don't be fooled by its size. This champion packs an incredible 2,922.52 lbf of compaction force, rivaling and surpassing much heavier units. Engineered with North American precision, it's a testament to efficient design and raw strength. The RM32 is the embodiment of compact yet mighty, making every task lighter while delivering heavyweight performance. Elevate your compaction game with this standout example of innovative, powerful engineering. Discover the pinnacle of dependability and performance with our North American clutch, a testament to reliability and endurance. Crafted with precision on North American soil, this clutch ensures unwavering operation and superior performance, even under the toughest conditions. At Hawk, we stand behind our commitment to quality, ensuring that individuals can depend on the excellence and durability of our components. Trust in our North American clutch to deliver consistent, reliable performance, embodying the very essence of Hawk. Step into the future of durability with the RM32 Tamping Rammer boot. Engineered for performance and built to last, this boot boasts cutting-edge materials designed for longevity. Crafted with high-density compounds and reinforced reinforcement, it's a shield against wear and tear, promising extended endurance in the most demanding conditions. As the unsung hero of the RM55, this boot ensures lasting performance, providing the reliability and longevity essential for every compacting task. Embrace superior durability, step after step, with the RM32 Tamping Rammer boot, setting the standard for robust, long-lasting performance.